Hello and welcome to today's Battle of the Day. This is where we here at the Firearms Policy Coalition try to give you at least one thing that you can do today in order to help protect and defend your right to keep and bear arms. So please take a moment, like and share this video so that your friends can know exactly where the fight is taking place. Today we're going to be talking about the state of California, California Senate Bill 615. This has to do with the Public Records Act that we have here in the state of California. Now, normally what happens is that if you go and you request public information or you request to view public information and they illegally deny you and the government entity illegally denies you, you have the ability to take them to court. Right? And if it's been deemed that they violated the Public Records Act, well, then your attorney's fees are then reimbursed because guess what? They should have made sure that they were in compliance with the law. Now, what this does, what SB 615 does, it says, well, okay, you can only get attorney's fees if you can prove that they intentionally violated the act, meaning they intentionally chose to break the law and not allow you access to the records or not give you a copy of the records that you request or fulfill your Public Records Act request. Now, this is a standard that is almost impossible to meet. All right. So the point of this whole thing, the problem we have with this bill is that the average person will then not be able to seek legal remedy. They're not going to be able to go to court and when they want access, when they access to documents that they're not supposed to, that they're supposed to have access to. And the only redress they have is to go to court. Well, guess what? Lawyers cost money. And if you know that they've broken the law, then at least you know you can get those attorney's fees reimbursed. But if you can't get the attorney's fees reimbursed because you know it's almost impossible to prove that they did it intentionally, well, then people just aren't going to bother. And guess what? Government entities are going to then start refusing to provide access to information. And that is the reason why we need to oppose this measure. Just do this. Either follow the link in the description of this video or go to firearmspolicy.org/actions. Look up SB 615. You go there. You can read about the bill. There's a link to the measure so that you can read the actual language of the bill. And then you can click on the Take Action button, the orange Take Action button. Go ahead and you can put in a message. You can either put in a message directly from you or you can use the message that's already there that we've put there for you in case you don't know what to say. But it's all there and it's real simple and it'll take less than 5 minutes. So please take a moment. Go to firearmspolicy.org/actions, SB 615, or follow the link in the description of this video and make sure your voice is heard. And then encourage your friends to do the same. All right, that's going to be it for today's Battle of the Day. Thank you so much for tuning in and for telling your friends about the Firearms Policy Coalition. We are the home in the fight for civil rights. Got to use them or you're going to lose them. You guys take care.
If you like our videos, follow, subscribe, like, and share.